Do you have batteries all over your house, yet you can never find the right one when you need it? With this epic battery organizer, you will never have this problem again. This case can hold up to 180 batteries of all common sizes, such as AA, AAA, C, D, and 9-volt batteries. The kit also includes a battery tester, which is capable of checking all the before mentioned battery sizes. Solve all your battery problems once and for all with this sweet battery organizer. Does your couch have little hairs sticking out of it or has fuzzy stuff all over? With this shaver tool, you can solve all your hairy problems for good. It's very easy to use and it literally feels like you're shaving the couch. Besides the satisfying feeling that you get from doing this, you will also make your couch look brand new once again. People use various indoor and outdoor temperature measuring gadgets, but most of them are nothing impressive. If you want to have something more unique, this thermometer is just what you're looking for. The cylinder contains spheres that raise and sink depending on the temperature around it. I cooled it off and set it in the sun to show it in action. Even this gecko was intrigued by the awesomeness, so your buddies are guaranteed to be impressed. Are you tired of your car looking like a little garbage dump? Allow me to introduce you to the Garbage Cup, a compact garbage container which conveniently fits into the cup holder of your car. Now all of the garbage has a place to go. Other than all over your car, that is. Your passengers will appreciate the effort. The next time you stop at a gas station, you can empty the cup and start over fresh. After acquiring this awesome electric lighter, you will quickly lose interest in the traditional gas lighters you may have laying around the house. Unlike a regular lighter, this lighter uses a high voltage spark that is not affected by wind, won't burn your fingers, and does not smell. It is a must-have for all you candle lovers out there, and your junk mail can finally be put to good use. And the best part is that you will never run out of fuel again. Simply recharge and continue to enjoy.